Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use promo code on Squareup. To use your promo code for Squareup, first of all open your Squareup dashboard online. Open up a web browser of your preference and then type in squareup.com in it. Also make sure that you're logged into your Squareup account like you normally do. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you are in the main homepage, go to the left hand side of the screen and click on Items and Order. Select Item from the sub-menu, and from the left hand side menu, click on Discounts. Square allows you to create and manage discounts that functions like promo codes. So in order to do that, go ahead and click on Create a Discount option on the next page, and then enter the name of the discount. Select the discount type, choose the discount value, valid dates, locations, choose which items or categories the discount applies to, and things like that. You can also go ahead and set up advanced options for it by clicking on Show Settings at the bottom and fill in the rest of the information according to your preference. After you are done with it, you can click on Save in order to create a discount or use your promo code on Squareup. Customer can then redeem these discounts and check out whether on store or online depending upon how you've configured them. So that's how you can easily add or use promo code on Squareup in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.